What do you do it for? What are you running for? What are you running to?
Hi guys, my name is Candy, so also go by Confidant Candy. If you're new here, thank you for choosing me to watch. If you're subscribed, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about 10 affordable self-care ideas. If you'd like to know more, keep watching. Having a self-care routine is so important. It is something to look forward to. It helps boost your mood and it makes you feel good. If you'd like to know what my self-care routine consists of, make sure you click here and I'll show you guys what my self-care Sunday looks like. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Number 1, take a walk in nature. I'm so grateful that I live in, the suburbs, kind of, sort of, and I have a lot of green space around me. However, I was never one to go for walks. When the gym was open, I would go to the gym and do my cardio. Like, why am I walking around here for? When other gyms are closed, I make sure that I do go for my walks at least 5 times a week. It helps me to clear my mind and it also wakes me up in the morning. Walking helps to relieve stress, and walking in nature helps you to focus on the things that are around you, like focus on the birds chirping, focus on the trees, focus on your feet walking in the grass. It is very calming and it is good for reflection as well. Number 2, gardening. I don't have a garden, but studies show that gardening has benefits to your overall well-being. You can plant flowers, you can plant fruit and veg, you can do your own thing in your own garden. It's yours, you can do what the hell you want with it. But if you do not have a garden like me, you can buy plants and you can become a plant parent. Lavender and snake plant is good for anxiety, and aloe vera is good for sleep and your hair and your skin. So I would definitely invest in an aloe vera plant. Make sure you do your own research and buy a plant that is catered to your needs. Number 3, journaling. If you're already subscribed, you know I love journaling. I talk about it in almost every video. It is the practice of writing down your feelings, your thoughts, your mood. You can pretty much write down anything that you want to. Benefits of journaling include it allows you to relieve stress, it allows you to reflect, and it is also good to organize your thoughts on pen and paper. I've got a video for you if you'd like to know more about journaling, just click here. Number 4, clean your environment. Having a clean environment can help to have a clear mind. Well, it works for me. I honestly feel more focused and productive if my room is clean. Like my books are in order, I don't have mess lying around. I have a lot of things, don't get it twisted, but it's not messy, it's organized. There's a difference. Studies show that women who live in cluttered homes have higher stress levels than women who do not live in cluttered homes. If you do not have a lot of time to clean, maybe schedule in an hour a day or maybe more time on the weekend to, make sure you clean your kitchen, your bathroom, your room. Just have a clean household. It will definitely help. Number 5, get adequate sleep. According to the National Sleep Foundation, healthy adults need between 7 and 9 hours of sleep. Personally, I aim for 7 hours a night. Mind you, I drink 4 liters of water, so it is difficult to sleep throughout the night without having to get up and use the toilet. However, I do not feel too tired in the morning, and drinking water gives me energy. It helps me to stay up. Having a good night routine and going to bed early definitely helps with the quality of your sleep. Having a good night's sleep is important to improve your mood, improve your concentration, stabilize your weight, and also reduce your stress levels. To have a good night's sleep, make sure you wind down and prepare for sleep. That means getting off your phone at least an hour before you try to go to sleep. Maybe read a book and stretch before you try to go to sleep. Number 6, make nutritious meals. Having a balanced diet is not only good for your physical, but also your mental well-being. Eating high sugary foods can have an impact on your mood. I try to watch my sugar intake because I've noticed that the more sugary foods I eat, the more anxious I become regardless of whatever I'm doing. So I try to moderate my sugar intake, and I do moderate what I'm eating and tracking my calories on an app called MyFitnessPal. So it can show you like how many calories is in your food and all that. It's really good. If you'd like to see what I eat, click this video. I have a vegetarian/vegan diet, so I'm trying to eat high carbs and high protein because I'm trying to put on a little bit, but then I also will cut eventually. So that is my goal for right now. Number 7, read a book. Growing up, I loved reading fictional books. Anthony Horowitz, Mary Blackman, Jacqueline Wilson. I was reading all the books, all the series. Now I tend to read more personal development/self-help books. If you'd like to know my favorite self-care books, just click here. Number 8, travel, if you can. Traveling brings me so much joy. I like to switch things up. I like routine, but sometimes it's boring. And after a while, you're just like, you know what, I need to get out of this country, London. I need to get out of here. I need to go. I love being able to learn about different cultures and experience new things. And I would definitely recommend traveling. Like, we only have one life to live. Why would you stay in the same country forever and not see this world? Unfortunately, we can't really travel right now, but I'm definitely making up for it when I can. I'm out of here. I'm going. If you are able to travel safely, I would definitely go for it. Make sure you keep yourself safe and make sure you adhere to local guidelines and international guidelines. But right now, the way the state of the world is, I don't really recommend traveling, because let's say you go to St. Lucia, you can't really see the islands. You have to be mindful that smaller islands are really protecting their own and you could be really putting them at risk, especially if you're from the UK. So I would definitely put that off for now. But we know when the world resumes and we can all travel safely and enjoy ourselves to the best capacity possible, then I would definitely recommend traveling. Number 9, ask for help. During this time at home, I have learned a lot about myself. For a long time, I would try to stay busy in order to mask my feelings. So when I was at uni, I was going to uni full time, even though it was only 1 day a week. I still had a lot of uni work. Don't get it twisted, masters is no joke. I was volunteering. I had my placement to do for my uni course. I was working. I was running my blog. Like, it was a lot going on. Oh, and I was still working out, of course. When all of that, ceased and no longer existed, I talked to my doctor and I was referred to CBT. Turns out I had moderate to severe symptoms of anxiety and depression. But I was keeping myself busy, so I wasn't really thinking about all of that. Eventually, I had CBT for a couple of months. If you'd like to know about my cognitive behavioral therapy experience, make sure you click here. Number 10, call your loved ones. Due to the pandemic and being stuck in a house, it can be quite isolating. I haven't seen my friends for ages. Like, last we went out was for my friend's birthday, and that was in August. It's February. Do schedule in time to call them, voice note them, Zoom, house party if people are still doing that. Just try and find ways to connect. It will really make you feel good and it will remind you why you have them as friends. Friends, I love y'all. So that's it for this video, guys. Do make sure you have a self-care routine. I cannot stress this enough. You need something to boost your mood when you're feeling low. You need something to look forward to. But you need to also be safe and take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.